FAW TV is back with the JD Welsh Cup, and the quarter-finals brings us here to Maes Tegid, home of Bala Town Football Club. The Lakesiders play Cardiff Met, and ahead of the match we've been taking a little walk around town with Club Secretary Ruth Crump to find out what this club means to the community.
Oh yes, it's tremendous support we have locally here. We're just walking up the high street. The local businesses are superb in supporting us. Fantastic facility we have in the 3G has created a hub where children now gather and other clubs gather. It's just bringing more and more people into the club, which is brilliant. We want the club to succeed, and the small town of Bala, we want to be playing in Europe, and it's been a privilege to be able to represent Wales in the European match. It's just a fantastic journey. I'm so proud to have been part of it all.
Small town, family club. I started taking interest because my two lads play in the academy there, and we just follow Bala afterwards if we go to watch the home games and the away games really. Well, we sponsor the shirts for the under-12s academy, and then we've got a board up there, and we normally do sponsor the match and ball on a match day. At the moment they're playing very well, and I think they'll win the Welsh Cup this year again.
So as you can see, Bala Town are very excited for their JD Welsh Cup quarter-final match against Cardiff Met. But we also took a trip up to Llandudno to find out what they are thinking ahead of their quarter-final match against the new Saints.
This season's been incredibly difficult. It's been a really difficult 18 months. Obviously for certain personnel at the club as well as just the club as a whole. I think if we did pull off an upset and we could come back with some silverware, it'd just be almost make everything a little bit more worthwhile. So it is going to be really tough, and we do have to pull off an upset against TNS of course, but it'd be absolutely incredible if we managed to even just get to the final at this stage.
Hopefully we could get a few here, because it's obviously because we've been struggling, it's been a bit quiet, but we get a good crowd here and they get behind us, and who knows, we could have a semi-final. Around
the town of Bala, it's clear to see that there's a lot of support for the team. On our wanders, we picked up these good luck messages for the Lakesiders ahead of the quarter-final match.
Mae Williams Holmes yn falch iawn o gael noddi clwb pêl-droed y Bala, so pob dymuniad gorau i chi yn y gêm dydd Sadwrn. Bydd pawb yn tŷ coffi, badell aer, plas yn dre, ac wrth gwrs Williams Holmes.
Good luck to Bala Town on Welsh Cup on Saturday.
Good luck to Bala in the JD Welsh Cup.
Pob luck boys. Bob luck i clwb pêl-droed Bala dydd Sadwrn yn y gêm cwpan. Da ni'n falch iawn fel cwmni TJ Roberts i noddi'r clwb, a gan bod tad a pechenog y cwmni yn llwydd ar clwb pêl-droed y Bala.
As we've seen, the community of Bala are fully behind their team ahead of their quarter-final match against Cardiff Met. And of course, there's more action across the country, and you can find coverage across the FAWales Twitter and Facebook pages, in addition to faw.cymru, and of course the live match between Barry Town and Cambrian and Clydach on S4C.